My dear friends, today we bring beautiful light which is long number plate light AX-717 from the house of Bajato. We have bolts here, we have the wires here, 2 bulbs here. This is a lamp which can be used for different applications. It can be used for the number plate of a bus, for a number plate of trucks, for a number plate of harvesters, tractors. So it's a good light. This is a beautiful light with good brightness. Here you can see the 2 bulbs which enlighten the number plate when this product is lit. So this is made of ABS and the lens is in acrylic. For ordering this lamp, you can click on the link in the description. AX-717 from the house of Bajato.